channel. So today we are doing Sisters Tag. This is a bowl, and we have written some questions in these sheets. Okay, so she has written 4 questions and I have written 4 questions, and we have mixed it.
Now we are gonna pick one of the chits and we are gonna answer the questions written there. Both of us need to answer.
Even if it is written by me, I have to answer that question. Okay, so this is how it goes. So
Let's go for the first round.
So are you ready? I wanna choose the first one.
Yeah, you choose one.
Okay. So
First chit.
first shit. Let's see.
Okay, this is written by me.
It's written by her. What is something that you both like doing together?
Okay, first you answer.
Hardly anything, because she's busy with her work, or she's busy.
Nowadays I am busy, but
No, she's always busy with her work. She's always in her bedroom, either watching K-dramas or Running Man, whatever. And she hardly interacts. You can say that we like gossiping together. We actually like doing it when we sit for lunch. We keep on gossiping and gossiping and gossiping. So what's your answer?
my answer is also similar to her. Actually, we both, for me, sitting together and doing PNPC is the best thing. Actually,
That is what we enjoy
हाँ.
doing together.
चुगली करना, literally चुगली करना. We both sit and whoever person we don't like or we love to see their videos and make fun, we sit together, watch their videos and laugh like anything.
That is, I can say that is
No offense.
what we love to do together. So now it's her turn.
हाँ. Let's see.
It's my question.
So, okay, the question is one childhood memory together. So, one childhood memory together, good one, is when we were child, like class 5 or 6, na? দুর্গা পুজোর যখন দুর্গা পুজোর ইয়েটা করতাম যখন আমরা দুজনে মিলে চেয়ারের মধ্যে হ্যাঁ ক্লাস 5 or 6.
We were very small.
We were very small. So what we used to do, we didn't go much out during pujas. So what we thought of doing once is I think
I used to draw Ma Durga's picture, okay?
she used to draw She used to draw Ma Durga's picture like this much, and that also in a cartoonistic way. And then we used to paste that in a cardboard, I suppose, and then we used to hang it on the chair. And then in front we used to place some bowls and we used to place Nukul Dana as prasad. We used to light the incense stick and we used to do puja. God knows what mantra we used to use, and then we used to do dance also.
And we used to
For that dance, we used to practice every evening in the terrace, and the song used to be, you know,
Aire chute aaye pujar gandho eshe.
Aire chute aaye pujar gandho
And
eshe.
the funnier part is we used to sing ourselves and we
used
were
to
the
dance.
choreographers. Okay, we used to dance and sing together.
We used to choreograph ourselves, we used to dance, we used to sing, and then get ready, and then we used to
Dance in front of Ma Durga.
and we used to enjoy like this. So this is one of my good memory.
So what we used to do is we used to go to bathroom together.
আমি ভাবছিলাম তো এটা বলবে, আমি বলিনি যার জন্য.
We used to go to bathrooms together when we were very small. Okay, when we used to
take bath together.
I was in class 1 and she was in class 2.
Most probably.
She was very thin, okay? She was very thin. And what we used to do is I used to be the ghoda and she used to sit on my back, okay? And I used to be the ghoda and I used to make her sit, and we used to enjoy a hell lot. Me being the younger sister, I used to carry her. So she being the eldest one, she used to sit on my back and we used to enjoy so much.
I was the
She
thinner
was
one
very
and I
thin.
had no strength.
And I was very strong, and I used to think that she won't be able to take me. So I used to do that, and we used to enjoy a hell lot at that
while
time.
taking bath.
Yeah.
So So the next question.
I want to choose. Okay. So let's see.
What is the question? Again, it's
Given by
one
God.
of my questions.
So, what is one thing that your sibling cannot live without? She cannot live without watching Running Man. Okay? That is for sure, because every day she has to watch it. Whenever she wakes up, she'll watch Running Man. That is a Korean what do I say?
Variety show.
Korean
variety
shows.
show.
Okay.
K
So
variety show.
whenever she wakes up, she'll watch Running Man. Whenever she's eating, she'll watch Running Man. Whenever she's in bed or she's about to go to sleep, she'll watch that. I just don't understand. She's just so much obsessed with it that she doesn't even talk. रुके ही जाएगा कभी.
I love that show. I genuinely love that show. I have been following that show for the last 1 or 2 years.
1 year, not 2.
1 year.
1 year.
1 year. From lockdown, I have been following.
Hooked. Actually. So now your turn.
Her. There are many things actually. I have one thing. She cannot live without teasing me. একটা দিন এমন যাবে না যেখানে আমার পেছনে লাগবে না, আমার মাথাটা খারাপ করবে না, আমাকে রাগাবে না, and then টিসু টিসু ডান শেষ। ওটা ছাড়াও বাঁচতে পারবে না, সারাক্ষণ আমাকে মাথা খারাপ করবে। That is one thing she cannot live without. কি হলো?
Now it's her turn.
Oh. How often do you argue?
So just now,
As you can see, every hour, regularly, every day,
Every day.
year, every month.
even before shooting this video, we were fighting because I told her to write on this big sheets, okay? These big sheets, but what she did was she cut them
Into
okay,
4 pieces.
4 pieces, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Just imagine how conjuice she is. Even if there are so
I
many
can
pages,
make use of them.
there are
very
so many
nicely.
pages, okay, lying here and there. There are so many pages that we will not even use, but still, I don't understand. I get so much frustrated by that. You have no idea.
We argue
Argue
every
like-
time. Every time.
Every time, every minute.
Every minute, every second, every hour, every day, every month, every year, every time. সারাক্ষণ ঝগড়া।
So,
Next you.
my turn.
Question. Oh.
What is that one thing you can do that your sibling cannot? I have to think about it. That one thing that I can do but my sibling cannot is that she will not wash her dishes.
না এরকম কিছু না
না।
যে cannot মানে একদমই পারি না।
তো একদমই পারিস না, তুই একদমই পারিস না।
না আমি করি
Hardly.
আমি।
That is hardly. Otherwise, she'll make so much excuses. Oh my God, you'll understand. She will hardly. You can ask my parents. She will hardly wash her dishes because she hates that duty. Okay, she hates that duty. That is the only thing that came up to my mind, and nothing else.
For me, there is one thing. I can eat jackfruit, but she cannot. She hates jackfruit, so I can eat. I love jackfruit, and she cannot take the smell at all.
I hate it.
So I can eat jackfruit, but she cannot. So that's one thing, and yeah, there are many things, but I'm telling one. Okay, one thing that irritates you about each other. There are many.
You go first.
One thing that irritates me about her is she keeps on shouting at me. Her natural voice is shouting, but if I shout a bit, then that's shouting. But if she shouts, that is her normal voice. She can talk like that. But if my pitch becomes a bit higher, that becomes shouting, that becomes rude. But she can never be rude. That's her normal voice.
So one thing thing that irritates me the most is that when I am irritated or I don't feel like talking to anyone, she will talk to me in Korean. I don't understand Korean language. Obviously, I don't understand. I don't watch Korean web series. Okay, so she will keep on repeating that. And another thing is, when I am extremely frustrated, okay, she will poke me.
Even you do that.
She'll continue. I learned it from you. When I am very much frustrated and pissed off, she will constantly poke me so that I burst out. Okay, then I burst out and start shouting on her. So what will I do? Okay, that is the fact. She pokes a lot.
Don't worry. Fine, just go.
So it's my turn, and I think we have one last cheat. This is the second last cheat.
Okay, she got her own question.
Tell one good quality and one bad quality about your sister. Okay, I'll tell two good qualities about her. One good quality is that she is very confident about herself. Very confident. Okay, even if she is nervous, but she'll not let the other person sees that she's nervous. Okay, and the second thing is she has a hell lot of patience, which I don't. I lack in that. I cannot. I just don't have patience. So that is the good thing, and the bad thing I would say is that she is not a good listener. She is not a good listener. I'm telling you. You guys might think that I have a sister, I share everything with her, but no, she will not even listen. Even if I have to say anything, she doesn't even listen. She will keep on scrolling through her phone. I don't understand. But she is a very bad listener. Very, very bad listener. That is all I have to say. Your turn.
Good qualities about her. Opposite of mine. So she has a very good listening quality. She will keep on listening to a person who is down or who keeps on chatting, but she won't even get pissed off or something. She will sit and listen to that person. But I get pissed off sometimes.
Sometimes
If I don't like that person.
Even
If I don't like the words or whatever, if the words are repeated, I don't like repeated words. Even I don't like myself repeating words. Second good quality, I would say, her mind is very innovative. Like from childhood, she has been making certain stuffs with certain things that even nobody can imagine. Like she can make a big stuff from so little things, and that's so creative and that looks so good. Yeah, she is very creative, I find. Like she can, I would say, she can implement her creativeness, which I cannot. I might have ideas, but I don't know how to implement. Whereas she can implement those ideas. So that's her good qualities. And bad qualities.
Yeah.
Lack of confidence, lack of self-confidence, very much. She lacks in self-confidence. Every time she's like, na, amar hobe na, amar kichu hobe na. And she is a very pessimistic person. She always thinks negative about herself. She can never be optimistic. Never. Every time she is told to think positive, so that positive will happen. But no, she'll always think negative, so that negative things happens to her.
So that I'm prepared if negative thing happens. That is how my mind works.
So my last question.
This is the last sheet that is left.
Okay, so what nickname we have for each other?
You go first.
Embarrassment.
And please tell the story behind it.
I used to call her Polo. In our childhood, we used to call each other. I used to call her Polo,
And I used to call her Dodo.
Dodo Polo. So the story behind this is, didn't go out much. So what we used to do, we used to play back at home. So this was a game we used to play. I used to be the mother
And I used to be the child.
So I used to take care of her. I used to change nappies and all blah 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 shit. And from there she used to call me Dodo. I used to call her Polo. So from there we got the nicknames Dodo and Polo.
So we don't call that to each other now. So yeah, this was it for the video. Hope you guys like it. And if you want more such videos, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.